whenever you have a new product with a completely new supply chain, new everything, uh, it's always a stretched out S curve. So you should expect that initial production of Cybercab and Semi will be very slow.
Elon Musk has pointed out Tesla's biggest bottleneck. However, the goal of producing 38,000 Cybercabs per week will remain nothing more than a number on paper without the 50,000-ton Giga Press. This machine not only allows Tesla to achieve smartphone-style manufacturing speed for the Cybercab through a single-piece casting process, but also hides many strategic reasons that have never been revealed about the real ambition behind this gigantic casting system. So why is the 50,000-ton Giga Press considered a critical necessity, and the only weapon capable of helping Tesla dominate the Robotaxi era at this moment? The first reason is tolerance stack-up, and this is not a minor detail. It is the hidden bottleneck that has defined car manufacturing for decades. In a traditional production line, a vehicle body is assembled from dozens of stamped metal parts, often 60 to 70 pieces just for a major structural section. Each part carries a small deviation, typically around 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters, individually. These numbers look insignificant, but in reality, they behave like a chain reaction. When 70 parts are welded together, those tiny errors accumulate in one direction, and by the end of the structure, the total deviation can reach several millimeters. That is enough to cause visible misalignment. To understand how real this is, imagine stacking 70 thin sheets of metal, each slightly off by a fraction of a millimeter. At the beginning, everything looks fine, but by the end, the entire line is shifted. In a car, that shift shows up as doors that don't close flush, uneven panel gaps, or glass that vibrates at highway speeds. These are not random defects. They are the direct result of accumulated tolerances. Because of this, traditional factories are forced to include correction steps where workers or robots adjust and realign parts before final assembly. This slows down production, increases cost, and introduces inconsistency between vehicles. This is exactly where Tesla takes a radically different approach. Instead of trying to manage 70 sources of error, Tesla removes them with the Giga Press, especially at the extreme scale of a 50,000-ton system. Large sections of the car are cast as a single piece. There is no chain of parts anymore, so there is no accumulation of error. The geometry is defined once, inside a mold, under controlled pressure measured in tens of thousands of tons. The result is a structure that comes out consistent every time, without needing post-production correction. This has a massive downstream effect. When the base structure is precise, everything else becomes easier and faster. Battery packs fit perfectly without forcing. Interior components align naturally. Suspension mounting points are exactly where they should be. Most importantly, Tesla eliminates the need for manual alignment, which is one of the slowest and least scalable steps in automotive production. In simple terms, the first reason is about removing hidden inefficiency. Instead of fixing errors after they happen, Tesla prevents them from existing at all. The second reason is structural battery integration, and this is where the Giga Press becomes not just useful, but essential. Tesla's goal is not just to build electric cars, but to redesign how a car is structured. With 4680 battery technology, the battery is no longer just a component placed inside the vehicle. It becomes part of the vehicle's structure itself. That means the car is no longer carrying the battery. The car is built around it. To visualize this, think of a traditional car as a box carrying a heavy object inside. The box handles all the stress. While the object is isolated, Tesla is trying to turn that object into part of the box. But this only works if the outer structure is extremely rigid. The front and rear sections must be strong enough to clamp the battery pack in place and distribute forces evenly during acceleration, braking, and cornering. If they are not rigid enough, all the stress will transfer into the battery, which creates safety and durability risks. This is where traditional welded structures fail. When a structure is made from many pieces joined together, every weld becomes a weak point. Under torsional forces, stress does not flow smoothly. It concentrates around those joints. Over time, this leads to fatigue and reduced structural integrity. That is acceptable when the battery is isolated, but not when the battery itself becomes a load-bearing element. The Giga Press solves this by creating large, single-piece castings with no weld seams. At the scale of a 50,000-ton press, Tesla can produce front and rear structures that behave like solid blocks rather than assembled frameworks. Forces can travel smoothly across the material, which significantly increases stiffness. The battery pack can then sit between these rigid sections, forming a structural sandwich where the entire vehicle works as one unified system. The impact is immediate and measurable. First, weight is reduced because there is no need for extra reinforcement structures. Second, stiffness increases. improving both safety and driving performance. Third, packaging efficiency improves, allowing Tesla to fit more battery cells or achieve longer range with the same number of cells. These are not theoretical benefits. They directly translate into better efficiency, lower cost, and higher performance. At the same time, this design simplifies production. Fewer parts mean fewer assembly steps and fewer failure points. The battery integrates more cleanly into the manufacturing process, reducing complexity and speeding up production. This is critical for scaling to millions of vehicles. When you look at both reasons together, the role of the GigaPress, especially at the 50-ton level, becomes clear. The first reason eliminates accumulated error and removes a major inefficiency in manufacturing. The second enables a completely new vehicle architecture where the battery becomes a structural core. Combined, they show that this is not just a bigger machine. It is a tool that allows Elon Musk to fundamentally redesign both the product and the process of making it. Why is every major automaker suddenly racing to secure GigaPress technology? The GigaPress race is no longer just a trend. It has become a fight for survival. But the truth is, automakers are not afraid of Tesla simply because its EVs sell well. They are afraid because Elon Musk has proven that traditional car manufacturing is gradually becoming obsolete. The Cybertruck pushed the limits even further with a roughly 9,000-ton casting system. But what is truly important is that Tesla is no longer the only company pursuing this direction. Now, nearly the entire automotive industry is being pulled into a race to scale up die-casting machines. Hyundai Motor Company has developed its hypercasting program with around 9,200-ton systems for next-generation EVs. Volvo Cars is deploying an 8,500-ton megacasting system for the EX60 at its Torslanda plant in order to completely restructure EV manufacturing. Ford Motor Company has also been testing a 6,100-ton press in Detroit since 2023, while facing enormous pressure on EV profitability after its Model E division lost more than $4.7 billion in a single year. But the real shock came from Dongfeng Motor Corporation. The company has started trial production using a massive 16,000-ton die-casting machine, currently the largest operational gigacasting scale in the world. This number matters because it shows the industry is accelerating far faster than expected. Most automakers currently operate within the 6,000 to 9,000-ton range for structural underbody components. Dongfeng has gone much further, aiming to cast enormous battery trays in a single shot. This proves that the race is no longer about who has gigacasting, but rather who can produce the largest structures with the fewest parts. According to Gigacasting database tracking, systems ranging from 6,000 tons to more than 20,000 tons have already been ordered or are under development by OEMs and suppliers worldwide, including projects that were later canceled because the costs became too extreme. That alone proves the entire industry understands one thing. Affordable EVs in the future can no longer be produced efficiently using traditional assembly methods. The reason comes down to EV economics. Electric vehicles have far fewer mechanical parts than gasoline cars, meaning chassis and battery production costs now determine profitability. A traditional structure with 70 to 100 separate parts does not just consume more steel, robots, and factory space. It also increases production time and logistics complexity. Meanwhile, a gigacasting system can replace that entire assembly with a single casting produced in just minutes. This dramatically reduces welding robots, electricity consumption, labor requirements, and even long-term factory maintenance costs. That is why automakers are investing billions of dollars into this technology, despite the enormous upfront costs. A GigaPress production line is not just a giant machine, it also requires aluminum alloy furnaces, industrial cooling systems, massive molds, and entire factories redesigned around the process. But the truth is, automakers no longer have many options left. If they continue producing EVs using old manufacturing methods filled with thousands of parts and endless welding operations, they will struggle to compete on price against Tesla, and especially against Chinese automakers. What is even more alarming for Western car companies is that China now controls much of the global gigacasting supply chain. IDRA, the world's leading GigaPress supplier, is owned by LK Machinery from China. This means Chinese automakers not only hold major advantages in batteries, but are also rapidly accelerating in next-generation vehicle manufacturing technology. And this is exactly why Elon Musk continues aiming for even larger systems, including ambitions for future 50,000-ton GigaPress machines designed for Robotaxi platforms and low-cost EVs. The goal is not simply to build cars faster. Tesla wants to manufacture vehicles almost like smartphones: fewer parts, fewer assembly stages, fewer robots, and dramatically higher production output. If that vision succeeds, the entire cost structure of the automotive industry could be rewritten. But the truth is, this race has already grown far beyond Tesla. With Dongfeng reaching the 16,000-ton level and the industry beginning to explore systems above 20,000 tons, everything points to Gigacasting becoming the core foundation of next-generation EV production. And in a market where profit margins are being squeezed harder every year, the company that masters manufacturing technology first may ultimately be the one that survives. Which next Tesla vehicle line could adopt GigaPress casting technology? Not only the Cybercab, but the Tesla Semi could also become the next vehicle to adopt massive-scale GigaPress technology, potentially redefining the entire heavy truck manufacturing industry. Although Tesla has not officially revealed the full production process of the Tesla Semi, a growing number of clues from Gigafactory Nevada are beginning to confirm a highly disruptive direction. Drone footage has shown multiple enormous chassis sections positioned around staging areas. And what stands out is that these structures do not resemble traditional welded steel frames at all. Instead, their seamless surfaces, rounded reinforcement ribs, and highly complex geometry strongly suggest that they are high-pressure die-cast aluminum components. At the same time, Tesla's $3.6 billion investment into expanding the Nevada factory, including extremely thick reinforced concrete foundations, indicates the company is preparing to operate GigaPress systems with clamping forces between 12,000 and 16,000 tons, far beyond the 9,000-ton systems previously used for the Cybertruck, specifically for heavy-duty trucks. The core transformation lies in Tesla's shift from welded steel frame architecture to large single-piece cast structures. Technical analysis suggests that the front and rear sections of the Semi's chassis are unusually large and contain almost no visible weld points, signaling a transition from assembly to formation. While conventional methods require welding together more than 800 separate parts with cumulative tolerances reaching several millimeters, GigaPress can create a single massive component with precision below 0.5 millimeters. This not only eliminates assembly inaccuracies entirely, but also removes weak points at weld joints, areas that commonly crack under the constant torsional stress endured by heavy trucks over millions of kilometers of operation. At the same time, Nevada's factory infrastructure also suggests Tesla is deploying a new generation of GigaPress machines, likely connected to Idra Group's Neo series. However, instead of attempting to cast the entire multi-meter-long truck frame in one piece, which would be inefficient from a metallurgical standpoint, Tesla appears focused on producing critical structural nodes. These include high-load areas such as suspension mounting points, electric motor attachment sections, and the regions surrounding the battery pack. This approach allows Tesla to optimize both durability and manufacturing efficiency while maintaining flexibility in vehicle design. Another crucial point is that Tesla has not simply copied the technology from its previous vehicles, but has significantly refined the materials themselves. The company is reportedly using a proprietary aluminum alloy that requires no post-casting heat treatment, preventing warping while eliminating an additional manufacturing step. These castings act as the backbone of the entire system, integrating the drivetrain, suspension, and chassis into a single unified structure while removing thousands of parts from the supply chain, an advantage traditional automakers will struggle to match in the near future. More importantly, the entire structure is designed around Tesla's structural battery pack using 4680 battery cells. In this new architecture, the battery is no longer a separate component, but becomes a primary load-bearing element of the chassis itself. With significantly higher energy density, this system could allow the Semi to achieve a driving range of around 800 kilometers, even under heavy loads. The cast sections produced by the GigaPress form an extremely rigid protective cage around the battery pack, increasing crash safety while simultaneously reducing overall vehicle weight, a rare combination of performance and durability. From an economic perspective, the benefits of this approach are extremely clear. In the freight industry, every kilogram removed from the vehicle can be directly converted into additional cargo capacity. Replacing steel with cast aluminum could reduce the Tesla Semi's curb weight by roughly 500 to 800 kilograms, enabling either greater payload capacity or lower energy consumption per trip. This is particularly important for fleet operators such as PepsiCo and UPS, where operational and maintenance costs directly determine long-term profitability. All of these innovations stem from Elon Musk's core manufacturing philosophy, the machine that builds the machine. The GigaPress casting process begins by melting aluminum and injecting it into a vacuum mold under extremely high pressure within seconds. Once solidified, every component is scanned using X-ray inspection systems to ensure no microscopic defects exist. More importantly, Tesla is no longer producing vehicles through traditional linear assembly lines, but instead using its unboxed manufacturing strategy, independently producing large modules such as the front section, rear section, and battery floor before joining them together at the final stage. This approach dramatically reduces manufacturing costs and factory footprint while accelerating production scalability. As a result, production speed is pushed to an entirely new level. While traditional manufacturing can require hours to weld and inspect hundreds of joints, the GigaPress can create a massive structural component in just over a minute. This is precisely what gives Tesla the potential to fulfill large semi-orders at scale. While competitors such as Volvo and Freightliner remain constrained by older manufacturing systems based on stamped steel and welding,